begin to have faith,
then you begin to have faith.
then you begin to apply yourself.
When you begin to obey
Now
yourself,
the word that is uttered in your life
uyisweteka kuwe.
can fully form its purpose and design.
Hasa nisaidie.
It is by the time the Lord admires his word.
Ndiki Bible uphiko.
It is come of the
Testify it upon that.
bafika eJerusalem.
When they arrived in Jerusalem,
Ngakho into engimangazayo.
this thing amazing.
When they came to
When
Jerusalem,
they came, ubafika Jerusalem.
It is when they spotted that specific position uThixo abafuna kuwo.
Kulapho bathi bayibona le ndawo Thixo has stayed for them.
Akakhanga ixele ngokubemka.
He did not tell them as he was departing.
Ubaxelele nje ikhomali bahlala
He
eJerusalem.
told them just go to spend time in Jerusalem.
Bafika eJerusalem.
When they arrived in Jerusalem,
Bahlala insuku eJerusalem.
they tarried there for days.
Bahlala bephelomnye.
They stayed and stayed and stayed there in unity.
Kulapho wabo kulapho kwavela khona isambulo ukuthi mababe ndawo.
As they went 12